Yep. So, well, guys, today's day 3 of the bird marathon, walking to school. Game, would you please load? Just gonna restart the game. It's a little foggy out because it's just the dew of the morning. Alright. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you for spending the weekend with us.
Well, you're welcome.
I didn't know you were coming until Friday afternoon.
Yeah, because I would stay there. Like, I just want to stay over the weekends all the time.
Well, you don't get to see your mom if you're here with us on the weekend, though, do you?
Yeah, I don't see my mom, but it's still great to still be with y'all. Yep, there's the Gramble. Ooh, the hoot hoot. I'm like, still haven't realized the event's still going on after it's New Year's. Last day. I'm like, ooh, wait, no, that's just, it's just the New Year's hoot hoot. The golden hat and a golden bow tie. You look very cute. Oh my god. Come on, galarian bird. I need you to pop up to show yourself. Oh, just one of you. It's a. Yeah. Yeah, it's because it's like not a highway and stuff, because it's like usually homes and people might be sleeping, so yeah, might disturb them while they're sleeping. Crap, I need sun.
Huh? You getting out of breath?
Bless me. I guess I don't need the sun after all.
Yeah.
Party hat Warble! Look at him, he rocks. Oh yeah, he totally rocks. But you know what we need? Cowboy hat Caterpie.
Cowboy hat what?
Cowboy hat Caterpie.
What is that?
It's a little cute green caterpillar.
Oh.
Dog. Bart. Don't. Sparky. Sport. Bart. Chunk. Or Sparky.
Should have brought toast because she could have got her walk in.
Yeah. Hola, mama. Okay.
Of course, she'd been stopping to smell everything.
Yeah. Look, the one who do that, just dang. I believe it's to the right. Because
We're going this way.
Why are we going that way?
I think it's going this way.
Think so. To the right, I guess.
The right is to you. Mark it.
Okay. Hold on, I'll go catch that later.
Good way.
Okay, now I'm catching. Gotta see if that's good enough. No, probably not. No. Boom. Bidoof. Still looking for another Bidoof. Because I had a challenge in mind that if I did not find another shiny Bidoof after Tedder's community day, or the certain amount of days, well, I get to evolve it, which I wanted to keep it as a Bidoof god, but no. Yeah, by the way, that Bidoof was shiny, so yeah. I still have Bidoof with me. His name's King. Wait, is that a small Pugina? Yeah, that's kind of small. It looks small. Is that really small? Well, I guess not. I'm still looking for Pokemon that says it's tiny or it's huge. Okay, this makes sense. Okay, I see.
There it is.
Yep, I see. Yep, I see. I'm like, wait a minute. That makes sense. Okay. No galarian birds yet.
You played on the tennis courts?
Yeah, I'm in tennis.
Oh. You like that?
Yeah. Though I don't like the fact that our coaches said that when we were coming back from break, we're going to be kind of running a lot because we haven't done tennis for a little bit.
You got your inherited score, right?
Yeah. Okay, birds that I need. You know, the usual galarian articuno. Gen 1ers, dude. Never mind. Yeah, I like Kanto.
You like what?
Kanto is a Pokemon region. It's one of my favorites. Yeah.
You sure you're supposed to be here this early?
Yeah. 7:02. Means I'm good. Oh, toilets.
Where do you go in?
Just all the way down there.
All the way down there?
Yep. Okay.
Construction workers? Still working on the school?
I believe not, but there's probably something wrong.
Construction and remodeling.
Yeah. I smell some good stuff. There's no way. There's no way that's my school. Because it smells like nachos. Yeah, I'm very good of a grease smeller.
Just when you go in,
Yep. Right, bye, Lovey Puppy.
it's not open.
Probably opened the wrong door.
No admittance from this door. You can't get in from there.
Wait, it's locked. What the? It's usually unlocked.
That means you're too early.
No, it's usually unlocked at 7. What? Okay, that's weird.
5 after 7.
Yeah. Okay.
Because you have to go through the main entrance.
Well, that's kind of weird.
They probably don't unlock this one this early.
They do, but it's just probably after the holidays and stuff. They have to lock the doors because, you know, so somebody won't get in.
First time I've been up here.
Yeah.
I never even walked Seth up here. You know, it's a wheel lock on their tire,
Yeah.
so somebody can't drive off with it. They're not open, B.
What? They're usually open at this time.
You sure you had school today?
I think so.
Well, there's nobody in there. What if you don't have school today?
I don't know. That's weird. Okay, so guys, summary of what happened. Trying to get to school. All doors are locked for some reason, and yeah. That is weird. Well, 7's the usual time that the doors open and stuff, where a lot of people come. I think it's all just but construction workers. I'll just go play with my little bunny.
No school.
Wait, no school?
Right here. Staff day. No school for students on the 2nd.
Wait, wait, no, wait. Hold up.
Staff, only teachers are going to be here today.
So, basically, we had a misunderstanding, and school's actually closed today, because it's staff day. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, you don't go back to school till tomorrow.
Oh my god.
You writing your mom?
Oh. Man, that is crazy. 9 more hearts.
See, it says right there. Monday, January 2nd. Staff development. No school for students.
Oh my god. Jeez. Well, yeah.
Hey, we got a good walk.
The results. Yep. Like, should have bring toast along.
Yeah,
Alright, bye guys. Hope you have a great year. Bye.